Do you have a pet you love? When you love a pet, you want the best for them. So today we're going to make these pet coconut bites that help to aid with their digestion, support their muscles, help their skin to be moist and non-itchy, to help give them a shiny coat, and help freshen their breath. So first we're going to take 1 cup of coconut oil and we're going to melt it in a double boiler system. So it doesn't take much to melt this. And then you got nice melted coconut oil, and we will add our essential oils to it. Okay, we've let this cool down just a smidge so the oils don't all flash off. We're going to add 3 drops of frankincense. Frankincense is the king of oil. It's good for overall health for the dog. We're going to add 3 drops of spearmint. This is going to give her the nice fresh breath and gives it a nice flavor. And we're going to do 3 drops of fennel. So this is a very sweet oil. They like it. It's soothing for the stomach also and the digestion. But it gives it a nice flavor. And then 2 drops of ginger. Also good for the digestion. And adds a little flavor. And then we are going to do 8 drops of Copaiba. Copaiba is good for everything. It's good for the digestion, the nerves, the muscles, the stomach, the heart, their coat. Denali loves Copaiba. She will actually come over and ask for a drop of this. I'll put a drop in my hand. She'll lick it off, and then I'll rub the rest on her spine, and she loves it. Then we'll mix it together, and we will start filling our silicone containers. These little gummy bear ones hold about a teaspoon each. The fish hold about 2 teaspoons. So these would be good for a small dog. Denali's bigger. She can probably handle these or 2 of these. You can use a dropper if you like. That takes too long for me. And once these are all filled, we'll put them in the freezer until they are solid, and we can pop them out. So I have my little trays filled, and now I'm going to put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes until they're solid, and then we can pop them out and put them in a container. Okay, so it's now out of the freezer, and it is nicely frozen. We're just going to flip them over. Okay, so it looks like we're going to have to work a little more to pop them out. But they do pop out nicely. And you got a nice little bite-size breath freshener for your dog. So we've got all our pieces out. Some of them came out in pieces. Some of them came out really cute. We got nice little bite-sized bears. We got some fishies. And then these we'll break into smaller pieces and put them into a container and store them in the fridge. Once you have your bites in a jar, make sure you put a label on it so you know what's in it. I like to add the ingredients on my label so I don't have to look up the recipe when I want to remake it. You can store these in the fridge. Denali prefers them at room temperature, so I tend to store them on the counter. Coconut oil doesn't go bad quickly. Dose-wise, smaller dogs, I would use the little 1 teaspoon size ones. So this is a gummy bear size. I have a 60-pound dog, so she gets the two teaspoon size ones, and she does just fine with that. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey. because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.